The hassle of running countless reports, tracking income, and tax preparation for your rental business is no joke. Rent rolls, deposits, profit and loss statements, balance sheets, you've probably dealt with these before. But there's an easier way. Doorloop, the easiest to use all-in-one property management software, takes property management reporting to the next level. We've built in over 60 customizable reports specifically designed for property management. There's no need to be an accountant to use Doorloop. Our best practices are already built in for you. The vital information you need, it's just a click away. Personalize your insights, filter your reports by date, accounting method, property, lease, and more. Choose from our extensive library of report templates or run unlimited custom reports for free. Get a detailed real-time view of every transaction and stay updated on your business. And when tax season comes around, export all your data to Excel, PDF, QuickBooks, or just print it. It's simple. If you get confused, no worries. Our support team is here to help. We also have lots of tutorial videos to guide you through. Listen to what our customers are saying.
My favorite feature in Doorloop is the profit loss statement. Not just because you want to see how much money you made, but also how they break it down.
The report section is very good. Reports, P&I reports, monthly reports, AG reports, all those things are in there.
Manage your reports anytime, anywhere. Save time, make more money, and grow your rental portfolio with Doorloop.